So in Fusion, if you want to work around with freehand paint, then you can easily insert that out as well. So to do that, over here, you can see that paint icon is here. So if I were to click on this, then you can see the paint node is inserted. So you can go around and keep the paint node in between the background and the media out right here. So I'm just going to go around and connect this to the paint and then to the media out right here. But I do need to unlink it out right here. So from the background, it goes to the paint node, and then from over here, it goes to media out. And you can see that the paint node is there. So now what you can do is you can simply go around and then draw around how you like. You can go around, change around the color of the paint right here, just like this, and then draw around over here, just like this. You can work around with the alpha as well, and then work around with, let's say, colors right here to get the color that you want. You can go around over here, change this out, and you can see that this is what you have. You can work around with the greens and so forth. But over here, what happens is that whatever thing that you draw out freely right like this, it just stays in one frame. As I move the timeline, you can see that it just stays for one frame right here. So depending on where you draw, it just goes around and stays right there. But if you were to increase out the stroke duration right here, just like this, if we were to put a paint on, you can see that it stays for the whole 30 frames right here. So this is the duration of the frame right here. You can see that that is what you have. So you can see that it stays for 30 frames, and if you were to go around over here, change around the stroke duration and draw, then what happens is that it stays for the 30 frame duration, just like that. So that is what you have right here. So besides that, you can go around, and then let's go to the stroke controls right here. So besides that, I can go around, and let me just go around and then draw around right here. You can see that I can change around the center over here as well. So this is the center. You can change around the angle as well, but that really makes it, let's say, for example, you drawing somewhere else right here. So let me just go around, keep the angle to what it was right here. So let me just go around, type in 0, and it just draws out like that. You can go around, change around the color. So let me just increase the greens right here. Let's say, for example, you can work around with the size of the brush over here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So as I work around with the size, you can see that as I increase the size, it actually goes around and draws out just like this, but it does not stay at the center, as you can see. You can go around with the spacing, and as you work around with the spacing, you can see that it draws out with dots right here. So if I were to go around, you can see that since I enable out the spacing, it draws out everything with the dots right here, just like this. It keeps the space between different brushes right here, and as you decrease this, it changes out just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with the Fusion freehand paint inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.